gonna configure AWS CLI. Go to the AWS console login. After you login, go to the IAM. Go to the users. Create one user with the name root1. This is optional. If you want to give, you can give. Just go with the I want to create an IAM user. Give the custom password. I will be changing this password anyway. This is the simple password which I have given. And go to the policies. Give the administrative access. As this is just for the testing purpose, you can give it the administrative access. And select next. And create user. Now that the user has been created, you can download the download CSV file and keep it safe. And now that it is done, go to the accounts. Go to the IAM. And users again. And the root one which you have created right now. And create access key. And command line interface. Select I understand the above recommendations. Select next. If you want to give any tag, you can give it. I will give it as a root one again. Create access key. This is the access key. You can download it. This is the very sensitive keys which you should not give it to the anyone else. Anyway, after the completion of this video, I will be deleting it soon. And go to the Google and AWS Install CLI. Go to the particular links and select Windows if you are in Windows, and select this one. This will install the software of AWS CLI. Once the installation is done, go to the any kind of a terminal and write AWS configure. Once it is done, you have the access key. You need to paste it here. You have the access key. and you have the secret key. And you can give it the region name AP South 1 as you wish. So, and you can give the output format as JSON or YAML. I will give JSON. Now it is done. If you want to edit, you can go to this particular place, go to your users and selected user and the AWS, and you have the config. See, this is the AP South 1 which I have given, and this is the credentials file. Here is the credentials, whatever you have stored in AWS configure. Close this one, and now everything is been done. If you want to AWS S3 LS, we have nothing in AWS S3 bucket. So now we're gonna create something. Go to your, now come to the AWS console, select S3, create bucket, give the name whatever you want. I will be creating with the name 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 Apple. I am not selecting anything, I'm just creating a bucket. You need to check twice whether whatever the location which you have given in the AWS config, you need to select that one. And I have selected AP South 1, and you need to go into that particular region and you need to create one bucket. Once you have created the bucket, now come to the console, CLI console, and the command is AWS S3 LS. This will give the list of the buckets in the Mumbai region. As you can see, now I can able to communicate with this particular region. This is the AWS configuration, AWS CLI installation.